Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Tarot of the Owls. This is by Pamela Chen and art by Elisabeth Alba. And if these names sound familiar, Pamela Chen brought you one of my favorites, the Crystal Unicorn Tarot, and Elisabeth Alba, she did the artwork for the Everyday Witch Tarot. So I'm so excited about this. I've been waiting for this for a while. This is published by Llewellyn, retailing for $31.99 in the US. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. Quick little shout out to my nailies right here. I am so proud of my non-dominant hand for figuring out that spider web. Put a little spider in the comment section if you know what inspired this. All right, let's get into it. Spread your wings and fly into the realm of mystical owls. Unlock your intuition with wisdom from owls of all shapes and sizes. This Rider-Waite-Smith-based deck features spectacular artwork by Elisabeth Alba and a companion guide by Pamela Chen. You'll connect with the four parliaments of the minor arcana, great horn, burrowing, barn, and snowy owls. Love it! The unique members of the major arcana and the royal owls of the court cards. Tarot of the Owls teaches you how to use their insight to conquer daily challenges and create the life you truly desire. So 78 cards and a 224-page guidebook. Ooh, she's going to be a thick one. All right, so we do have the classic Llewellyn magnetic clasp there, and we have a ribbon. Oh my gosh, look at how stinking cute. Yeah, she a thick book. I'm excited. And then we have the deck here. Oh, stop. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, okay. If you don't know, I love owls, so this is going to be a treat for me. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap this, then we're going to take a peek at the guidebook. I'll be right back. Alrighty, so let's have a peek. That is so pretty. Alrighty. Look at them. Aw. Okay. So we have the calling, which is the introduction. We've got rules of the realm, and then know it all. Oh my god, that's cute. Know it owl. Major, minor, court cards, spread your wings. So I'm assuming that's some spreads, and then taking flight. Oh my goodness, it looks so gorgeous. Okay, I just want to see if there's anything important that we need to know. Okay, so basically the structure is the same. We do have the interviewing your deck portion right here so you can get to know and ask specific questions. We have information on how to perform a reading, and then tarot exercises, and then it goes into the cards. Let's just take a peek at the spreads real fast. So we have single card. Oh my goodness. Then we have the 3 card. And other spreads, so intuitive flight spread, and spread your wings here. An owl possibilities spread. Awesome. Okay, let's get into the flip through. Alrighty. It is a little glossy. I wouldn't call it a super high gloss, but there is a gloss. That's such a gorgeous back. Oh, I'm so excited. And then it is your typical Llewellyn cardstock. It's on the thinner side, but if I know my Llewellyn cards, it's going to shuffle really nicely. Very flexible, but it snaps back. It's a decent size too. All right, looks like no borders. We've got the title and the number below. If you hear wind and wind chimes, we have a crazy windstorm going on right now. So I do apologize. It is not going to be easy for me to edit that out. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so sweet. I'm such a big fan of Elisabeth's artwork. I follow her Instagram. She does amazing work. So I'm so happy to see her doing another deck. I love that this leans more towards the realistic side and not like a super cutesy owl. It just seems more fitting for the deck here. Oh, there's a snake there. I love that. Is that apples? Still very whimsical. It's just not super cutesy. So I can appreciate that. I think that's great. Not that there's anything wrong with a cutesy deck. Oh, that's interesting. Oh. Oh. Oh, the light in this is stunning. Wow. Oh. I'm laughing because I just love the depiction. I think it's, so far this is a phenomenal job. I'm really enjoying this. Kind of speechless on that one. I love it. Oh, look at the moon. Little critters. Oh. Oh, it's so happy. Oh my goodness. All right. So far, I love it. Okay, let's get into the minors here. Looks like wands are up first. How cute. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, I love. Oh. Look who won out of that. Oh. All right, swords. Look at the baby. Oh. Very creative, very well done. If you enjoy owls, if that's your thing, I think you're going to really connect with this deck. I love the creativity of that. Oh, wow. Just feel like this is very well-rounded. You understand what's going on in the card with the energy. Oh, so pretty. Oh, poor baby. I have reviewed plenty of animal decks. but I don't think I've ever had a deck that is specific to just owls. Oh, so this makes me really happy. Are owls my favorite animal out there? No, but I do enjoy them. They're one of my grandma's favorites. So whenever I see an owl, it's kind of like a nod to her. So that's probably why I'm just so excited over this right now. This owl like, here, see, I've done this too. Look what we have accomplished. Oh. We'll see the court cards at the end here. Oh, sweet. If you own the Everyday Witch Oracle, that would be a great companion to this. Same artist. Oh, precious. All right, here's the court cards. So the wands, oh my goodness. Page of Swords. I don't know why, but this reminds me of, maybe you guys remember the show, I know I'm dating myself, but Wishbone, the dog that went through the literature with you guys, the classic literature, and acted the stories out. The hat, that's what is doing it for me. Oh my goodness. Fantastic show, by the way. All right, now we're in the Knights. I like the feathers flying. Oh, and I like him on the branch here, just walking for the pentacles. Their little armor is so fun. Is that a cat? No, it was another tree. Oh, those are pretty colors. Oh, the crown. The grapes are fantastic. Well, all right. I am very pleased with the art. We're going to shuffle it, and then I'll read you a card from the guidebook. There we go. Yes, it shuffles just like all of the other Llewellyn decks. I'm pleased with it. I don't have an issue. I know some of you don't like their cardstock, but I honestly find it shuffles really, really well for me personally. Okay, we're going to read for the Nine of Pentacles. Alrighty, so here's a reminder. Glossy color, love it. The juicy, tasty peaches and golden pentacle coins are ripe for the picking. The time for harvesting is here, and our Pentacles Owl Guardian has been waiting all year for this moment. He can't wait to enjoy the fruits of his labor. He knows that his peaches will taste even better than store-bought fruit because he has put in a lot of time and energy to grow amazing produce. So, upright owl wisdom. The owls are giving you a winged high five because this is your abundance card. This is the prosperous wealth and money card that represents material riches coming your way. You deserve everything you are receiving in your life. The miraculous results you are seeing now are because of your intentional planning and because you took actions aligned to your goals. Enjoy your success. Your owl guides are celebrating you right now. So then we have a reverse meaning. Reversed owl outlook. You have amassed wealth and created the riches in your life, but now you are doubting your hard work. Perhaps you are unsure if you can keep up this abundance, if you can duplicate this success again, or if someone will come and take it all away from you. Don't get caught up in these limiting beliefs. You know deep down that they are not true. Keep building your wealth and don't slow down. Soar as high as you can. If you are disciplined and show up and do the work, you will have another abundant harvest. Oh my goodness. So I am in love. Oh, we have a little parliament of the suits as well. So there are little information about the suits. Oh, this is sweet. So there's a lot of info in here. I highly suggest that if you are a beginner, this might be for you if you are an owl person, because the way that it is written in here is very great for beginners. And the energy that is represented with the artwork here, very well done. Shuffle's great. I don't really have anything negative other than, I always want more. I think it's beautiful. I think it's really well done. I think the colors are phenomenal. The artwork is beautiful. I don't have anything negative really to say other than, I'm going to now want a tarot of the owls version in an oracle deck. So with that being said, I'm going to turn it over to you all. What do you think about this deck? Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you think you're going to enjoy? What do you think about having an owl? I can't even talk about it. An all owl tarot deck. Is that something that you would enjoy, or is this a pass from you? Let me know all of your thoughts down below in the comment section. And again, if you know what the inspiration for my nails were, let me know down below by a spider. I think that's the emoji that's down there. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. All right, everyone, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.